folks, welcome to PowerlineHealth.com. I'm Mary Howard RN, and today we are going to talk about doTERRA's Introductory Kit. This is a little kit with lemon, lavender, and peppermint in it. It retails for $26 and it wholesales for $20. And it's just a beautiful little kit with three 5 ml bottles of lemon, lavender, and peppermint in it. So lemon, lavender, and peppermint are an amazing combination that are really good for helping with seasonal distress. But because these are three independent oils, you could use them for any number of things that might be helpful in your world. So what's really neat is the lemon oil is very uplifting. It eases. It's easy to use, and it's a gentle detox in the body if you put 1 to 4 drops a day in a glass of water. It's also helpful as respiratory support. And the other thing we love about lemon is you can add it to a spray bottle and use it throughout your house to clean surfaces. You can remove adhesive from labels on bottles. The next oil in this little kit is lavender, and lavender is a very calming oil. It's great to use to help with sleep, so you could maybe make a spray bottle and spray your pillow. It's a great way to use lavender and help get that extra relaxation. You can it helps to ease tension and calms anxious feelings. Also, another great use for lavender is for skin irritation. Great to make as a go-to if you spend a little too much time in the sunshine. And then our third oil in this little kit is peppermint. And peppermint is just an amazing oil because it is good for the digestion, it's good for head tension, it's good for opening the airways because of its high methyl content. And it's also an energizing oil, all that in one little oil. So I just wanted to share some details about these three. They're very simple oils, but they're so useful in the home. So this is a great way to get started with the three basics, lemon, lavender, and peppermint. I'm Mary with Powerline Health. Thank you for tuning in. We'd appreciate if you like and share and subscribe to our YouTube.